Welcome back. Happy Friday. We are back on WordPress with a new plugin today. Docker start site and MySQL. Now our container should start. There we go. And now let's open up Burp Suite. Burp is updating. Yosuka double. Holy cow. We are doing event tickets and registration plugin. So let's take these and delete. Apply. Maybe we have to deactivate those first. Now what we can do is delete. Okay. So let's do, what is it? Event tickets and registration. There we go. So let's do CD WordPress. Let's do rm star.txt. RMT, RMTR, RMWP tag config. And now we can activate this plugin. I forgot, L does the same thing. Okay. Let's intercept this and see what this request looks like. REST route uses indents. Okay. New plugin today. Available. Add new event. Okay. Calendar embed settings. Setup guide. Just dismiss this screen. Alright, so let's do Docker copy plugins to plugins here. And now let's do cd plugins. Let's do rmrf for the plugin we already did. So WP Recipe Maker, Akismet. So we have event tickets and event calendar, which is interesting. So it's two plugins. Oh. Okay. So interesting. Okay. But we only installed one plugin, but it installs two separate things. Interesting. Okay. Interesting. All right. So, first things first, I guess we could start by doing events calendar. So let's do cd back, cd wp org. Let's do this. Let's do events, or the events calendar TEC analysis, and then we'll do the events calendar. So we'll do WP org scan on that. Yo, Tekin. Arch. I planned on Arch. There was one bug towards the end of the stream I found, but it's kind of a cheesy one. I don't know if I'm gonna end up submitting it. Okay. So now we have our output. Now let's do less on that. This will be a nice way to just start looking at the plugin. All minified. Jesus. Here we go. Unescape parameter content using echo. Source views dialog alert. Sanitized HTML class. Let's see what that does. Interesting, okay. So it's only these items that are left. is this? The events calendar. So let's do this. Let's add an event. Add event, demo event. 1. This is a demo event. Events calendar, start time. Create or find a venue. Okay, so it's doing that correctly. Organizer, admin. Point 1, comma A equals apples equal a script. We'll just see if that stuff goes through. Okay, so we can add tickets to events. Custom fields for it, authors. We can add a new ticket. New ticket. Actually, we'll say ticket 1. Ticket 1 description. And I want to do, I'm curious of who can even modify this stuff. Show description, start, end, price. We'll do 100. Capacity, we'll say 5. SKU number, we'll say SKU. And I'm sure that's probably showing up in all tickets now. Ooh, we have a file upload option. All right. Feature event. So what if we publish that? And here's our permalink to the event. Alright, so this is all going to be customer facing. This is the stuff that we want to mess around with. That's saved, so if we go to all tickets now. Okay, so tickets and events do correlate. Attendees name shows up. Coupons. Interesting. Alright. Is there any other fields we can add for users to fill in? Okay, so it's sanitized script. Because we can now, so if we get a ticket, right, and then we do get tickets, that doesn't go anywhere. Because Why can we not pay for tickets? Edit Stripe settings. Set up your checkout page. Please configure the settings on ticket settings payments. Enable tickets commerce. Any payments made will be done on sandbox accounts. Use this to that shortcode to display the checkout experience. Got it. So we'll change shortcodes to checkout. Okay, so let's do pages, add page. Let's say checkout. And we can add the shortcode. View page, beautiful. So we have our checkout page, and now we need tickets, settings, payments. We need ticket success page. Oh. It already has a checkout page. Or tickets checkout. What? It added those pages in. In order to start selling tickets to tickets commerce, you need to set up your permalink settings to an option different than plain. Please configure the settings on settings permalink. I guess just post name. Let's check out our pages. Let's trash shortcodes. Let's trash sample page. Checkout. So there's checkout, then there's ticket checkout. This is the exact same. So let's trash checkout. Let's trash no title. Order completed. We have to set that. So let's go to setup guide. Or events, setup guide. Nope, events settings. Jesus, ticket settings. And so we have tickets checkout, order completed, save changes. Beautiful. Oh, yo Pebble, what up, brother? Yo pen tester. This is Fed's Rooftop. Fed's Rooftop, Naples. Alright, enable test mode for testing payments. Okay, so let's try this. Control Shift P for new private window. Oh, we need to add a why is this not showing up in the menu up here? Add page. There's gotta be a shortcode for this, right? Calendar. Ticket blocks. Tickets event list. So let's call this one events. I think we have tickets already. Show the gravatars people come to this event. That's interesting. Maybe store XSS in the image name. So if we have this, we say get tickets. Okay, cool. So now we have some client-side stuff actually, or I guess unauth. I think by default you can access all that unauth, which is what I'm trying to kind of generate right now is a bunch of content for us to run through with low-level users. And then after, again, once we go through customer side, we can go back through and do permission checks on stuff, make sure they're validating nonces correctly. I would not be surprised with all these different fields and queries if there's going to be SQL somewhere. But we can add an RSVP also. Oh. Or I guess we could do new RSVP description, capacity 5. Enable can't go. I like that. Save RSVP. Okay, so we have two options now. We have RSVP option and ticket option. We're getting all the functionality, which is what we want. That's gonna piss me off. There's a sale price. I guess we could do sale prices. Say 90. What's advanced? Oh, SKU number. Ticket header image. Select an. Let's do this. We can actually just do this in the source code. We'll do this. Or they might be using WordPress's upload. It doesn't look like they're using their own upload functionality. Arch.jpg.php. Not allowed to upload this file type. I think async upload is native.
The uploaded file is only partially uploaded?
What? Let's just remove all those. So what if we do ticket.jpg? CD plugins, CD events. Oh, event. Uploaded file is only partially uploaded. Okay. Let's see where that is. If it's even in here. Async underscore upload. Upload image. Depends on if we have all multiple items, ours upload, else add. Featured image is featured image. Upload file. Tribe image uploader or local URLs. So it's doing a MIME type check. Move temporary file if no longer required at this point. I don't know if that's the same functionality though. Let's just see what happens when we do this. Arch.jpg. Now if we go here, CD uploads, CD 2025, there. Okay. So it is doing all those. The uploaded file is only partially uploaded. Ticket header image. Like, what does that mean? So what if we do this? I'm very curious if that's going to end up pushing it in the previous directory. Is there a temp directory it's pushing to? Only partially uploaded. False. Okay, so it sanitizes that. What if we do this? Is it a whitelist or a blacklist? Let's see how it's filtering. You're not allowed to upload this file type. Okay, so it is a whitelist. So instead of upload, let's do .jpg. Or what would this be called? Ticket header image. Ticket header, ticket underscore header underscore image. I think this is the file we're looking for. Fields header image. Tickets handler. Header image is blank. Header file name is blank. WP get attachment image header ID. It's not doing a check here to see if we're actually doing a number. We might be able to get lucky and try and get like an LFI. Header file name. Escape HTML. Select an image from your media library to display on email. So the ID, it's still going into the class though, but then it's escaping here, and that's preview. File name. So let's just set his ticket header. Is admin is a very interesting parameter. Header image ID. This I feel like could be Tribe event save ticket settings. Tribe tickets. Action is tribe ticket panels. And then our data. So can we just see what this function is? I mean, it's an Ajax. If is set, if empty, data header, image ID. This header image ID. Very interesting. Get header image ID. That's success template. This is tickets handler. Okay. So let's send this to fucking user. Very curious to see what that says. Post log, post log.
Header image ID.
And which one is that for? Oh shit. The page events uses the events log. The events calendar will show. Oh. Is that better? Oh. To remove this slug. Unlock. Like that. What is the issue? Isn't there a ticket image?
Where did we just do that at?
There we go. Okay. So what I want to do is get this demo event. Say get tickets. Where's the image?
Select an image from media library to display on email ticket. Oh. Okay. So that's only for email tickets.
Checkout is not available at this time. Valid SSL certificate, which we do not have. I guess we could make one if we wanted to. So what if we do this? What if we do a coupon? Coupon free. Coupon code free. 100% off. There's 5 tickets. The page events now use the event slug. Edit the page slug. Oh shit. Where do we just fucking, why can't we just... What if we just trash it? If we just do an event. There we go. That works. Alright. No, it doesn't. Yeah, okay, I was gonna say that page is deleted now. And now we have the coupon, so I don't think we'll have to set up payment processing. Edit coupon code free. Bypass that. Love that. So we'll be able to go through all that functionality, and then it goes back to checkout unavailable. Okay, so let's keep setting this stuff up. We have our events now. Just want to make sure we have everything, all the possible functionality. Import. CSV. There's CSV injection I've seen before, which is pretty interesting. Attendees, nobody's attended yet. Coupons, we do have. No orders.
async upload, which is WordPress native. I think we're set up now.
Organize your venue event categories. Okay, I also want to see how this code is structured. So they put everything in source directory. Deprecated functions, modules, resources, styles, tickets. I got a lot. Admin views. Okay. Okay.
Right, so I think we're good to start testing on the front end. Oh, another good thing we can do actually, let's just see if we log in as contributor, do we have access to any of that stuff? No, I don't think so. Oh, we do, we have, or I think this is for everybody, calendar. Oh, we can add a new event, okay. We can add a new venue. Organizers, we can add. Very nice, okay. So we do have flexibility with contributor role. We can edit events also. Oh, we can't edit if we don't own it. Okay, so that's nice to know. Okay. So I think now at this point, settings. Now it might be worth looking into stored XSS because it would be contributor, not admin. Stored XSS with admin permissions is, in my opinion, just stupid. I don't know whose account you're trying to take over where you can literally just reset their password. Unless I guess it was like a CSRF. Okay, let's just start messing around with this. We don't even want to log in actually.
We just want to go to events. Okay. And we can start kind of seeing what, search for event. What if we glob that? View data from a URL. Are we fucking serious right now? We're putting that into user controlled.
There's got to be some type of controls on this, right?
Yeah. That's not just gonna let me do that. Then we do and is admin. As we've seen, is underscore admin. Which I think that's gonna come into play at some point. Doesn't make a difference. Ooh. No. Okay. Why is that?
Let's see this.
Is that gonna show up like that? Should be like events. How are they? Let's do permission underscore callback. And this is probably gonna be tribe, right? Yeah, tribe. Oh, it's V2 though. Do we even have that available? A new mix in 7 minutes? Beautiful. See, that's not even a widget though. Tribe use HTML.
So what are these?
You did a tribe bar search. Oh. Tribe tag bar tag search. Oh, views v2. Views v2 view. That's probably it. This. Holy shit, okay. This file. Get URL. Context, event category, default false. If category is array. Convert category to list. Post tag, default to false. If tags are an array. Post type, event display. Tribe bar date, tribe bar search. Build date object. Is it showing this at all? View data URL? URL, add query args, utils view, get past event display. Get clean URL. Post is different. What the fuck? This is looking for pages. Where's that script? Apple. It's cleaning that.
Five-bar search doesn't want to return.
Really? Where's this coming in at then? That's HTML code. So we think.
Jesus, this is confusing. Yeah, it's encoding. 2 minutes. What do we put in collaborator? When did I schedule that? Yeah. There we go.
iCal 1. And that's in this request too? No. Oh, there's so many funky parameters. What is this iCal parameter doing? Oh, here we go.
Debut iCal link. WordPress query get start date. Single links. Don't show on password protected posts. If it's single, it's escaping attributes, escape URL. So Fred should have dropped that, right? Let's check. Oh yeah, he's live right now.
The view iCal under export link will just be the view URL with iCal 1 added to it. Content disposition. God, this plugin is, there's a lot going on.
So maybe we could export a different file.
It's taking a hash or something. Here we go. Whoa. Does this show up anywhere?
It does. Some logic issues. Yes, this is the new set.
And we can also modify the tickets. Check tickets, commerce cart. A lot of interesting headers. So is that my cookie now? Yeah, so tech tickets. We can set their cart value. My question is if we do that, let's say get tickets, right? We'll get 2 tickets. Oh, it reset it. Okay, so that sets it. So let's do this. Interesting. So you can't set it? trying to think from an attacker's perspective. You send a link to somebody. If there's some way you can like manipulate this, right, to send a link to someone, then you can get access to their tickets. Because I'm assuming this cookie is like at this point we can set that value. And we get tickets. Or
set cookie.
so we get it set and then we can do that.
That's what I'm so confused about. Why does that now? Because it probably just overwrites it. It'll set it. Checking out refer header maybe. And it's the same nonce. Fucking clankers, yeah, literally. Okay, so this makes me think that
WP tech login.php. Event.
okay, so that's a different nonce, but everybody unauthenticated.
I don't know what that's tied to. There's a nonce which is the same for two separate sessions. When our cookie is mine, and we have that nonce. If we want to figure out the nonce for that, I think we could just go back to events. Like that, get ticket. We're logged out, we're completely logged out. This is a private window also. It's the exact same nonce.
So if we add coupon
Code and do free. Tech tickets commerce module. It's giving us a file path option. Cart hash, mine. Oh, that's, yeah. should do a glob. It's a lot of functionality we can step through. Bad request. So we remove the nonce.
So if we do that, type TC cookie is mine, person
Purchase tickets. Alex at smith.com.
tickets are free.
We just checked this. There we go. That was messing with the cart. That's what it was. Yes. And that sets that variable. Alex Smith. Commerce free order, so you could check for a logic bug there. Might be interesting. Returns our order ID.
Yo, man.
I have a feeling this is going to be made from... No.
There's something funky going on here.
Why is that different then? Alright, if we want to do get tickets. And tech tickets, comma, test. Ooh, what if we do it as deleted? Because it always includes deleted. Interesting. So it creates that and it sets that. Why was that working before when we were looking at it? Where did we just see that?
That's a random hash every time. Redirects to here. What the shit? This is so weird. What up, Trey? Yeah, we just moved the desk around a little bit. Change up the scenery. Please provide a valid purchaser and... Okay, so this... It's gotta be such a low one. 5.3.
The fuck? So this is probably username enumeration. There's probably something that's checking. If it doesn't have SMTP set up, it just validates by or now it's not. I was thinking maybe if, because we didn't enable SMTP because we're running locally, if it's just checking user emails. Commerce free order. Permission callback returns true, so we can do this unauthenticated. Header not found, email. Request, get JSON params. Get purchaser data from here. So what is this function? Get purchaser data. If empty, return error. Please provide valid purchaser name and email. If name is empty, please provide a valid name. So that should just say, please provide a valid name. And then return a 400. Oh. If purchase data, please provide a purchase email. Purchaser user ID is 0. Purchaser first name, full first name. Purchaser email.
return, apply filters, tech, tickets, counters, order, purchase data. Gateway dashboard URL by order. And it returns the data still. If logged in, it just returns the purchaser. If not logged in, then it does this search. And it returns back. Remember that night at the Hippodrome? Never knew that look when you look at me. Nervous as hell, so I didn't win a lot. You're the salt and the lemon on the top. Hard cooking south of the river. Response, redirect URL, head query, arg, TC order ID. Maybe it worked because I was breaking it? I'm so confused. How does that work? That just worked. Why? Why does that work? It just breaks it. That's what I'm so confused about. Yo, let's go. Appreciate the follow. That works. Why does that work? Is it the same ID every time, though, is the question? No. Okay. Coupon code free. That works. Get tickets order, TC order.
That just says order received. That's templated. Oh. That's why it doesn't even return tickets. So it shows that it works, but it doesn't actually give you any tickets. What's he do? Puts? Okay. This is interesting too. There's a lot of shit going on right now. So you could hit this unauthenticated. And that always has a new order ID. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is a really funky. Oh, notices. Where did we see notices earlier? So it'll delete my cookie also on that request? Interesting. Alright, hold on one sec. Whoa. Try to see if we could force a token onto somebody, right? I mean, that's what we should probably be looking back. Underscore, 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 return, underscore, true. Delete. These are all REST API calls we can make unauthenticated. The Rizla. Okay, that's interesting. There's a lot you can do. But I wonder how much of that is actually being done on the front end. Which is why, also, let's try this. See if we can bypass payments. We'll do another private window actually. Let's move this thing off. Let's also move. Why will that not move over a damn hyperlink? So let's do get tickets. And I fucking deleted that endpoint, didn't I? God damn it. Alright. 2 tickets. Forward. Forward. Set the cookie, that's fine. Yes. I'm gonna do coupon code free. Coupons apply. Alex at a.com. Commerce free. See, I don't know if free is because we named the coupon free. Let's send that to repeater, right? So we get free tickets. If we, let's get rid of that one. Now we have a separate window. So let's do get tickets. Well, there's only 1 ticket left, so we'll get it. We're not gonna add a coupon code, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this cookie and we're gonna put it in here at this free endpoint. And we're gonna say, John John. Invalid JSON passed.
So let's see if we can get this ticket for free. There we go. For whatever reason. Okay. So we have a business logic bug. Which I guess we can validate. How are we going to validate this? Let's go back to here. Let's go to wp-tech login.php. Admin. See, this is getting really fucking annoying when I'm trying to move windows over. Now that works, right? Like, what the fuck is that? Okay. So now we're admin. God, I got so many windows right now.
Let's do events, demo events. Tickets, attendees. Oh, we could export attendees. There's a nonce also with a print. Alright, there's a lot of functionality we can check, but that's not the point right now. Let's go to all tickets, ticket 1. Let's modify this. So capacity is going to be 50. No sale price. It will be $10,000. So no. Oh, we're logged in as admin on private browsing. Okay, so let's log out. We are nobody right now. So let's go to events. Jesus. Free $10,000. There's 45 tickets left. Awesome. Great. So we'll get 10 of them for $100,000, right? Let's take our cookie. Let's come into, we can remove all these. Let's put our cookie in right there. Yo, welcome. And we have a return URL. And that's a business logic bug. BLB. Go
Okay, so
That's great.
also the nonce is always the same for guest users. That's a good question.
You know, that's actually a really good question. We'll delete the coupon. Let's log out. Exact same nonce also for all those basic users, so that's going to probably lead to something else. Let's buy 20 of them this time.
Let's get our cookie.
That's so weird. Something is going on here on this back end. Hopefully it's not this refer header either. And then we can remove the nonce as well. See, this is so fucking weird. Percent 20.
Okay. We got the redirect URL.
We got our tickets. So free is not a coupon code, free is an endpoint.
This is still Fred. Yeah. No, Fred's done. That was his thing. It was an hour. That was pretty good. I liked on the rooftop though. Let's go. We found a vuln. Bug.
Now this nonce thing I want to try and crack, because this is super weird. There has to be something with that. See, we have to set up a payment thing, because I'm pretty sure that nonce is gonna be used in it, and if we can just fucking VP tech login dot PHP, if we can just do that, then we can probably get CSRF requests going. But we need to set up settings or tickets. Sometimes these just have like a cache option.
This nonsense reuse. How?
Because a payment method has not been set up. Why can we not just take cash? What is this called?
Tech TC checkout nonce. Let's see if we can look this up in the code base.
That is a request parameter. We love that. Are there different modules we could use? Probably. Tech tickets commerce module. Tech tickets commerce.
Have you tried using AI? Yo, Nate guy. I guess a little bit sometimes.
For like PHP object injection. Just because that stuff is pretty confusing to me. But not
Really, no. A for loop. What do you mean by that?
Oh, that's what I was gonna look up. It's nowhere.
Tickets commerce module. Source tickets commerce module.php. Jesus. CD. Commerce. Open module. Let's look up nonce. Non-existent. Are you fucking kidding me? Does it make sense that an unauth user would have? This? Okay, let's come back over here to RSVP now. This is a different nonce. Forbidden.
Should work, right? RSVP handle. Is it an Ajax? Yeah. What the Ajax handle RSVP. Both of them. Okay. Why is it fucking what the fuck? to search this file. Here we go. Ajax handle RSVP. Get request variable step. Render RSVP step. Ticket ID step is null, no ticket, if 0, return blank, post ID. Ticket ID, int. Check if post is private and the user can't read it. If post status is private and user can read private posts. I feel like that should be an or. No, I guess not. That's right. If it's saying, let's say you're admin, it's saying if it's a private post and user can't read private posts, which is what the exclamation mark is doing. It's inverse. So that makes sense, because if you're admin, then you would be able to, making this false. So it would not return. If it's in array, published or private. It just takes step. Must log in. Is user logged in? Going. Okay, so it's either going, yes, try request, get variables. When is it checking nonce? Nonce action, try tickets RSVP opt-in. It's your attendee ID, MD5 hash of that. Result success true. Seriously? RSVP opt-in. Opt-in nonce. There's no opt-in nonce. Or nonce is just created by your user ID and. I don't know what the hell that was. How do I fucking... Awesome. What the fuck was I even doing? Okay. Okay, so my theory is these nonces are being generated off of user IDs. The point of that is, if that is the case, is that a different nonce now? It is. It does generate a new nonce. Point being, unauth nonces do not change. I thought it was going to be the same thing based on user ID. It's not. I was wrong. which means if you're not logged in, you could. Like, we know what the nonce is. What if we click going? That's a different nonce, though. Ticket nonce is the same. Ticket nonce module does the exact same every time. This doesn't even have a nonce. Which I feel like if we hooked up a purchasing thing, we would be able to use the nonce to literally make a purchase. Oh, we don't have a coupon code now. Fucking crazy. What was I about to do? Oh, coupons. Coupon name. Coop. Percent off. 100. We would need to know their cart though, wouldn't we? Do we have to know their cart? Yo, what up, brother? Yo, sniper. Coop. Coop scoop. Coupon name. What if we did this? Because we're admin. How you would have to be. Okay. I mean, does this have autofill on? Probably. Network error failed. What the shit is it talking about? Alright,
God,
I love that.
You always have to know it right now. Right now. Tag tickets commerce module, which we're in. This is always the exact same. Which I don't. Oh, I'm trying to think if this could be exploitable. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It just always creates a new tech TC cart code. Get tickets. Banana. Banana worked. Oh wait, hold on. Private window? Banana? No. Oh, that refreshed.
Oh, that's so frustrating. They're literally fucking reusing the nonce from.
Fucking too retarded to figure out how to use it. That's so frustrating. Unlucky. I gotta think about that one. That's just super frustrating. Holy shit, yo, Hack the Box. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're doing WordPress bug bounties right now. On the tickets and events plugin, which actually breaks into two. Yeah.
And I will include this for anybody also interested in
doing WordPress bug bounties.
Everything's pretty much going through Wordfence, and I'll also send a link to Wordfence so you guys know what is going on here.
But if you do, actually we'll do Wordfence bug bounty. Here we go, this is a better link. Threat intel. There you go. But the Docker command I sent is for setting up WordPress and getting it started. You literally, it's like they're known for like their 5-minute install. And then you can go through to start installing plugins and start testing them. And right now they're doing a
maximum impact challenge, so it's double bounty rewards for all in-scope submissions, aside from the superhero bounties, which are up to $32,000, which would be like pretty much anything unauth, full takeover, or malicious arbitrary functionalities. Digging you bugs, twin. Yo, Jax.
So right now we're kind of going through the code. We set up
Yo, wife. Pretty much everything for the front end now, because we want to do low-level stuff. And as we go through these functionalities, we've actually already found one bug, but probably not a good idea to re-highlight that again before I can get it submitted and cleaned up. But what's nice about doing bug bounties with WordPress is it's completely white box. You have access to all the source code and what's going on in the back end. So when we find a function we like, take for example, get tickets. I guess that's just a redirect to the event directory, JS. We can fully see what is going on here. And if we're curious about it, we can find our action request, which is going to end up being an AJAX call. It should be an AJAX function. We can search it up over here. Template registration attendees. That might be echoing that out, because we can see up here it's taking input name, and it's actually has TPP. Whatever has TPP might be. So we can brick that value, and it still says. Actually, this might be pre-pending. We need to go here. Taxi TC cart redirect. And we can follow that. And it generates our cookie. We are admin. What we found out earlier, which I'm still trying to figure out how to exploit, is the nonce value for unauthenticated users when you go to purchase a ticket. Oh, wrong keyboard setting. Oh my god. If we go to get tickets, events, add tickets. This value is always going to be this nonce, and we can prove it by opening up a new private window. Oops. I'm gonna go to WP local. Let's go to event again. Get ticket, increase, get tickets, and you can see that nonce is exactly the same for those two. So
that is kind of where we're at right now. I'm yet to try and figure out how to exploit this. We haven't set up a valid payment method. We can actually just add a 100% off
coupon code to
get us able to purchase it.
Okay, I'm gonna have to go here pretty soon, unfortunately. But I sent the Docker command that'll set up everything for you to start installing. Sent the link to WordPress. While everybody's in here, let me plug a link to the Discord. I appreciate the raid, Hack the Box. Thank you. I feel like it's now my duty to go onto Twitch and raid somebody else. Unfortunately. But if you want to watch other WordPress stuff, I mean, we've been doing it all last week. We'll do it again next week. What is that? InfoSec streamers. InfoSec streams. Yogo Preslow. RightSec. RitSec. Let's get this guy going here. Intro to networking. Let's push. Raid. I appreciate all you guys joining. I'm super sorry that I have to get off right now. There's a great chance that I'll be on in a couple hours. I just have to take care of some stuff with work. But I appreciate all you guys, and I wish you guys the best of luck. And I will see you soon. Let's raid.